Can you run me through that process? What?
So when I had started with the company, I think we were above industry standard of how often we were idling. And the scope that we do, sometimes our pieces of equipment are sitting in the same spot and they're actively working all day. But a lot of times people measure idling based off of if the piece of equipment or the truck is actively moving. So for me, it was really, really important that we were measuring that based off of actual RPM data. Is it sitting and working or is it sitting and not working? So what I didn't want to happen was to break that trust with the field where I'm saying, hey, your piece of equipment is idling 80% of the time according to the data. And then them say, well, I'm working 8 hours a day, and being able to prove based off of their actual engine RPMs that they are working. So I think now I think our average for last year across the entire fleet was like 28%, and the industry standard is 35. So we've definitely gotten below that industry standard, and we still have a ways to go, I think. But now we have a system where based off of their RPM data, they're actually able to get a text sent directly to their phone after 10 minutes that says, hey, your piece of equipment is below that RPM threshold, please turn it off. They get another text in 20 minutes, and then if in 30 minutes that RPM is still at the same level and their piece of equipment is still running, a text will actually go to their direct supervisor letting them know that it's still running.